Another thing with boosting AOV is like, you'll have your product images here and you have where they can like swipe and check out more. You always need to have like reviews and social proof on image like 2 and 3. So your first image has all the different products in it, like the different colors with different ethnicities. And then the second, third picture is testimonials. Okay, and then here, like, you'll have your title. This is something that people really miss a lot on. They don't put reviews here. Like, you have to put reviews right underneath the title here. And then how many reviews. So it's like 5 stars, and then they put like the 17 in parentheses. Underneath that, people will just go right to the price. Wrong, okay? I do bullet points. So like, yeah, I'll have price, but then I always add bullet points. So I'll put price, and then I'll put original price. So I can make it seem as if there's a discount, but I cross it out, okay? And then I'll put my payment plan option. So it's like, or for free, interest-free payments. And then I have bullet points of the biggest benefits of the product. And then I have my add to cart button. And then I have my payment badges. And then I have my, product description here. And then I have FAQs. And then I have my reviews down here. And that's literally how I structure every single e-com page. And then you have like your attention bar on top of the page, where it's like, buy one, get one free plus like free shipping. So this is literally how I structure like an e-com landing page.